Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Roblox promo codes. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. In order for you to use your Roblox promo code, you must have your promo code with you. Tap on your profile, tap on help and safety. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to click the first option here, Help Center, where you can ask anything. And then what you're going to do here on the Help Center page, you have to go to the search icon and then type on redeem codes. So you have to type redeem codes here. Now click the article that you can see this promo code. Tap on this one and it will take you directly to the page where you can now click that specific site where you can add your promo code. So you have to read this and then tap on this link, or you can right click and tap on new tab. And here is where you can redeem Roblox codes. So all you have to do is to enter your promo code here. Make sure that this is correct. You have to agree with the terms and condition. And then after that, tap on redeem. Important tips, promo codes can expire quickly. Only trust codes from official Roblox sources or well known creators, and some promo codes require you to complete events or play specific games. And that's how you use Roblox promo codes. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.